Introducing the 2023 Polestar 2, Lrsm 3178 kWh 5D in stunning blue. This electric saloon boasts an impressive 31 horsepower and comes loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, front fog lights, collision avoidance braking, and so much more. With luxurious interior trim, advanced safety technology, and stylish design elements, this Polestar 2 is sure to impress. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this sleek and eco-friendly ride. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today to learn more.